friends, welcome to the new video, and today we are going to review the 2021 motorcycle Aprilia Tuona 660. At first, let's talk about the highlights of this motorcycle. This motorcycle has a naked sibling of the Aprilia RS660 and the natural rival to the KTM 892. This motorcycle is easy and engaging to ride. Talking about the price, it costs about 9,700 euro. On the other hand, specification should be reviewed. You can find 659cc of liquid cooled 4V parallel engine with aluminum twin spar frame type. Fuel capacity is 15 liters while the seat height is 820 mm. Bike weight is approximately 183 kg and the front suspension is 41 mm USD cable adjustable for the rebound and preload, while the rear suspension is monoshock adjustable for rebound and preload. In other hand, talking about the front brake in this motorcycle, we can find two discs with 320 mm 4 piston radial calipers, and on the other hand, rear brake has single disc with 220 mm with 2 pistons calipers. The front tire size is 120/70 x 17, while the rear tire size is 185/55 x 17. The Aprilia Tuona has given the term of 2 years warranty. Talking about the specification, let's talk about the top speed and performance of this motorcycle. This motorcycle can give the maximum power of 94 bhp with the torque of 49.5 feet-lb, and we can drive this motorcycle cleanly in between 5,000 to 6,000 rpm range. This motorcycle was launched in 2021 and have other versions like RS660 and Factory. Most of the owner of this motorcycle has given the positive review on this motorcycle, so you should try once. Today for this much. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye.